How to fix battery drain in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on battery and then click on battery usage. Now here you can check your battery draining apps. Now click on the app who used most battery and then here you can force stop the app. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system. Now click on reset options and then in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and click on erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After the factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.